Morning, everybody. I'd like to thank RTRK School, Prem Limbu sir, for giving me an opportunity to talk something about hospitality management, coronavirus, future of hotel management, and current situation of the country. Thank you once again, sir. सबैभन्दा पहिला let's know what coronavirus is about or COVID-19 is about. COVID, the full form of COVID is CO is for corona, V is for virus, and D is for disease, and 19 is because it came in the year 2019. So this is one disease which will make the virus will transfer from one people to one people to the other people. The whole world is facing a severe problem right now from coronavirus. We call this pandemic. Now, pandemic is the country and the whole world is suffering from the disease is pandemic. So at this period of time, we have to follow all the rules and regulations that have been given, the guidelines which have been given by the government to stay at home, make social distance. Social distancing is very important because the virus transfer from one people to other people, not only from people from so many things. It transfer easily. The heredity is very, very serious. So that is where social distancing will be very important till the vaccines are not been created for coronavirus. So we have to get quarantined at home. We need to make sure that we become social. We give time to family right now at this period of time. We clean our house. We clean our garden, clean our clothes, do cooking, learn to cook. That's what where hotel management student can benefit a lot. Cooking is an art. Even people who do not know how to cook, they can learn to cook. They can learn about hygiene food. Now in this course of time, in this pandemic, where it is very serious, a lot of people have died. I was reading an article, $3 trillion economy have come down. Hotels are shut down, restaurants are shut down, airlines transports are shut down. But still it will recover. It will recover, we'll have time. When this pandemic is over, once again, hotel will get started, restaurants will start up, people will start traveling. So we need to have patience. We need to be at home. We need to learn. I would especially focus to the hotel management student who are at home, can utilize their time by making a lot of presentations. Hotel industry is one industry where you will have to do a lot of presentations. You have to deal with people. You have to act every time. So this is one time where you can develop your skill, communication skill, presentation skill. This will help you a lot. This pandemic is not going to be long. This will shut down. There are a lot of people who are working, a lot of doctors, scientists. They're working, researching on the medicines to come up with the vaccines and stuff. So we make sure that students do not kill their time, and this is one period of time where we can be very good at home. We make a normal routine: early to bed, early to rise, wake up early, wake up early. That will help you. When you wake up 4 o'clock in the morning, you sleep at 10 o'clock, wake up 4 o'clock in the morning, give 1 hour to yourself, meditate yourself. 1 hour to yourself. Do not open newspaper, no mobile phones, no television. Give 1 hour to yourself every day. That will be a habit tomorrow. Again, 1 hour to your regular exercise, because you have got ample of time. You're not busy. You don't have to go to work. You don't have to go to school. You don't have to go to colleges. You can't even go to your relatives, friend. No parties. So you'll have to be at home all time. So when you start your beginning, when you start your day, you know, giving 1 hour to yourself, meditation very important, yoga very important, to make sure that you are fit, energetic, so that tomorrow, you cannot deny yourself, I don't have time, I'm busy, I have to rush to my school, I have to rush to my work. Later on, every day, that will be a normal practice to you. So I'll request everybody, especially the hotel management student, to make sure that they have this habit of waking up early. The early you wake, the better it be for your, it be for your day. Take your breakfast in time. I would suggest students, especially hotel management student, to cook at home. That will make you practice when you go to industry. Even if you are not going to be into, cooking, department. Even if you are not a chef, that will make sure that you are helping your family, friends. So when you do this, first thing that will happen is you become healthy. This pandemic is all about health. The disease transfer from one people to the other. This is a molecular, microscope disease. So this is where, to be healthy, your health, there are a lot of doctors today that, asking people to make sure that your appetite goes better. If your appetite, the disease have sneezing, fever, headache, nose scuggling. Now these things, these are something when you don't eat healthy, when you don't wash your hand every day, when you don't take shower every day. So at least this pandemic, this lockdown period time will make sure that you're healthy with your uh, healthy with your health. Once your health is good, you become fit. Once you become fit, you can study good, you can think good. And especially in hotel industry, people need to be fit all time. This is a zero tolerance industry. People who are not fit will not be accepted at any point of time. We deal with people. So this lockdown, of course, it is very hurtful not to get out of home, not to go to workplace, not to roam around, not to party. But despite all that, this will not be for a long time. But in the process, we can develop ourselves, our health. We can read lot of books, magazines. Don't waste time only surfing internet, Facebook, chatting. That's not going to help you long. There are a lot of good videos on YouTube as well related to hotel, food, cuisine, wine. Make sure that the student do take all those habit of surfing all those things as well, because this is where, tomorrow you'll be a complete person, and you will not even feel, you'll not even feel that you were locked down at home. This lockdown time is one time where it will help you to grow better. I would tell, we are hospitality people where every, you know, back full, there is an opportunity and we can create it. So I would I would like to see student, because we are in a very global industry. We're into one industry where, we keep on switching off from one industry to the other, hospitality industry. And that's where, don't kill time, I would say. I started, the early you sleep, early you wake. That is the first routine you have to plan in this pandemic. Once you do that, it's done. I mean, don't gossip. It's not time to gossip now. There are a lot of things that you have not done academically. Maybe if you're employee, you may have faced a lot of problem in your workplace. You can correct all that in this period of time, because you have all of time with you. And this is a very serious, this is one disease where, you cannot go out. We cannot go out. We can't, you know we cannot be into public place. You have to socialize with your family. Give time to your family. Talk to them. Don't make distance. Don't be with your, you know internet all time. I would say no. Give a time to internet time. Of course, we do love, Facebooking. Well, Hotmail is no more hot. It's all Facebooking. We say that. All right. But how long do you do all that? How do you plan future? This pandemic is not going to be long. I believe you me. It will. There was even bigger flu than this before. All have been shut down. It took time. People died, but this will come up. This is a disaster time. This was, this coronavirus came from a city called Wuhan, from a slaughterhouse, from animal slaughterhouse. We need to be very careful. If you're a non-vegetarian, you need to be very precise, very, very good in selecting meat products even. Cleaning is important. When you're cooking at home, cleaning is very important. There are a lot of time we take, we bring meat from the market. We do not wash that. No, we need to wash that all time. Because when the butcher do all that, when the butcher does all that, they cut it in the, in a cut of wood, and there are a lot of woods that go inside that meat. And if you don't wash that properly, that will all go to your go to your body. Hygiene and sanitation are very important when it comes to food management. We do a lot of cutting and chopping in plastic boards as well. Chopping boards, even the plastic parts come to the food product. If you don't wash that properly, that goes to your body, which is very harmful. We're talking about all this because we need to know what sanitation is. It's not about food only, it's about sanitation today. It's about hygiene. It's how you clean your kitchen today. Very important. When you don't learn all this, you go to industry tomorrow, especially hotel management student. If you go to industry tomorrow, you will not be giving good food to the people. They may have a lot of food poisoning and stuff. So these are time when you can memorize all this. You can practice in doing, because you have a lot of time. You can be at your home. You can cook yourself. You can see what you know, when you, if you're working in a hotel, sometime you can be you'll be in very rush to do all that, so you may not have time to. But when you're doing that at home, you can be very precise. You can look at each and every object. You can see the end part. So I would suggest, I mean, people with hotel industry, uh, they should follow all the instruction. A lot of diseases which have come with water. What kind of water do we use? How do we filter those water? How do you do cutting in the kitchen? How do you do, you know, how do you do you know, preserving of food products? Very, very important. How do we clean our kitchen? If you don't have exhaust fan, every time we cook, you know, you can see the lot of, you know, clots at the ceiling, and all those clots will come to your food when you're cooking. So cleaning of kitchen is very important. Preserving of food products, meat products, dairy products separately, because it can get contaminated. At so many time we keep everything in the same cooling system, refrigerator, but I mean, it can get contaminated. त्यसले गर्दा हामीले यो लकडाउनलाई धेरैभन्दा धेरै, वी क्यान धेरैभन्दा धेरै कुरा सिक्न सक्छौँ घरमा. वी क्यान प्र्याक्टिस अ लट. धेरै कुरामा प्र्याक्टिस गर्न सक्छौँ हामी, जुन कुरा हामीले रेगुलर टाइममा गर्न सक्दैनौँ. हामीले आफ्नो हेल्थ बनाउन सक्छौँ, गार्डन बनाउन सक्छौँ, बारीमा काम गर्न सक्छौँ. वेयर, यु नो, ग्रीन भेजिटेबल्स, हामीले हरियो साग सब्जी थोरैमा भए पनि. अहिले यस्तो बेलामा हामीले बाहिरबाट तरकारी पनि ल्याउनलाई डर लागेको अवस्था भएकोले so you can be healthy, we can be healthy. You don't need space. हामीलाई एकदम ठाउँ, धेरै ठाउँ चाहिँदैन यो तरकारी खेती गर्नलाई. आज मोडर्न फार्मिङ हेर्ने हो भने कसैको घरमा जग्गा छैन भने उसले आफ्नो छतको माथि पनि माटो राखेर गर्न सक्छौँ. द थिङ्स द्याट वी रिक्वायर्ड. हामीले धेरै मात्रामा बिक्री गर्नलाई नगरेर आफूलाई चाहिने साग सब्जी. सो आई मिन, हामीले we can never be negative. I mean, we are one people, we are from one industry. जहाँ हामीले we cannot panic. We'll have situation. हामीलाई situation हुन्छ. Even in hotel industry it happens. We keep on doing good thing all time. People start complaining. गेस्टले कम्प्लेन गर्छ, म्यानेजरले गाली गर्छ. So this is one time you've been tested about our temperament. So better we have a temperament, better we be tomorrow. It's very simple. र म फेरि पनि आई वुड लाइक टु सजेस्ट स्टुडेन्ट जसलाई हस्पिटालिटीमा करियर बनाउनु छ, प्लिज आफ्नो प्रेजेन्टेसनलाई जसरी हामी आफ्नो भिडियो बनाउँछौँ त्यसरी नै आफूले बोलेर सधैँ आधी घन्टा 10 मिनटको भिडियो बनाएर आफूले बोलेर हेरेर आफूले के बोल्दैछौ, के पुगिरहेछ, के पुगिरहेको छैन. सो द्याट विल बिल्ड योर कन्फिडेन्स. फेरि आज नेपाली स्टुडेन्ट when they go abroad, the biggest problem that we have is communication skill. Believe you me, हामीले जानेको